Hey guys, first time checking in today. I thought I would just document a little bit. So far I've just been tidying up. It is like the final day of summer. It's Labor Day weekend and it's actually Labor Day today. So I am getting all the things done I need to before the school year starts up officially tomorrow. Yeah, so far today I've just been tidying up. You saw I did some laundry. Started the morning slow. We're gonna run some errands and then it's go time. I have homework and then after homework, I'm going to try to just follow my normal like afternoon routine. Some other things I want to do. Want to paint my nails. We'll see if we get to it. I do need to wash my hair tonight. But those are the major things. And then, yeah, I'm going to make the most of the day because after today, it's so long summer. All right, so we did a little Target run and a little grocery run. From Target, I just picked up some new sponges. These have been my favorite go-tos. I was gonna just grab one, but I figured why not just have some backed up so that I feel like I need to use new ones more often, just to keep them clean. I mean, you can wash them so many times. I feel like so I think it's time to start using a new one. My brother recommended this eyebrow product, and I've used it. He's used it on my brows. I'm gonna like this product because they're actually gonna look like little hairs. So I'm excited to try that. I grabbed Ash Brown. Oh, my puppy's name is Ash. Cute. Okay. And then this is my favorite nail polish, the Insta-Dry. So this Luxe finish. Thought that'd be pretty. I'm going to paint my toes. And then I thought this was just a nice like summer to fall color. So I'm going to give this a go. Probably put this on my fingers later today and then redo my toes like I said. So here it is. I had this in the refrigerator. I'm going to pour it over ice, add some creamer. It's 10:20. Plan to eat some lunch right around 11 and then it's homework time. I just need to knock it out and then move on with my day. So, ooh. I also snatched a flannel from Sam's Club. My husband got one as well. He got this color, which will look really nice on him. We will see. I just like that oversized flannel fit. I don't think I have one in this color. I'm gonna laugh if I do, but try it on. If it doesn't fit right, I'll just return it. But I liked the colors. I think it's time for some iced coffee and homework. Maybe I can get it done in half an hour. Way to go. All right, so I just finished my homework. I actually had a quiz to take and it was all short answers, so I won't know how I did until my professor grades it. I felt pretty good about it. And I just remind myself that it's the beginning of this course and this kind of helps me gauge for myself and my professor, of course, how much I actually do know and that for me, it'll only go up from here. I took little breaks to paint my left hand or my fingernails on my left hand because what happens is I always end up wanting to paint my nails. I don't want to let them dry, so then I don't paint them. But I figured I'd do one hand, and then now I'm actually going to go in and remove my toe nail polish, and then I'm going to paint my right hand. And then tonight I'll do my toes. It'll just be easier. So I'm going to paint my right hand. And I think I showed you this, but it's the Buff and Tumble color. Just like super pretty. I like how it looks. I think tomorrow at some point after in the evening, I'm going to just put this gel top coat on. All right, I'm going to paint my other hand in like 50 minutes. I'm going to walk the puppy, do my lower body workout, shower, wash my hair, dinner, chill out, and then just kind of mentally prepare myself for the 2022/2023 school year. Alright, so I think I showed you a clip of my toenails. I'm definitely gonna have to clean those up. I feel like they look really rough, but that's okay, whatever. Onward. I'm going to prep my lunch for tomorrow. I shared in my last video these mason jar salads that I've been making. Super easy and yummy, so I'm just gonna make some more of those. I'll link a recipe that you can try for yourself. And then let's see, I need to brush my hair. I'm gonna make some tea, and then it'll be 7 in like 20 minutes. I'm gonna go downstairs, watch something, and then around 8, between 8 and 8:30, I'm gonna be going to bed because tomorrow is the first day of school. I'm gonna end this little day in the life here. Thanks so much for watching. Take care, guys. I'll see you in my next one.